Hello there, this is Toyse of Caffeine Fix Budget. Welcome back to this channel and welcome back to me. Na-miss ko talagang mag-cash stuffing videos. So let's count. So we have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 95, 20, 1, 1,500, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 22,000, tapos 100 and 200. So all in all, we have 22,200 pesos. So 222.